What is the proper way to hold your filaments dry? This method? Or maybe by putting your spool into rice? Or maybe a radiator?
No! No! No!
The proper way to do this is by using this tool which I got from AW-3D. The FilaDryer from Sunlu. The Sunlu dry box aims to maintain a constant temperature and prevents excessive heating that could potentially damage the filament. This will make sure your thermoplastic material is always at its best quality. All links are in the description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.